In this video, we'll see how to add captions in CapCut. So here I have my previous video. I will drag it to the timeline. This clip is a bit longer and I will delete it half. Okay. Now if I play this video, you can see there is no captions. To my timeline, you can see here a bird which is flying. So there is no captions or subtitles in this clip. So to generate the captions, left side here, click on text and here auto caption option. Now we have to select your language. So I will select English because this video is recorded in English and then click on generate. Now you can see the captions are generated. So if I click and there is a blue sky. So first to remove the background. Now this video is playing with subtitles. So this is how we can auto generate the captions in CapCut. Second, I can edit the captions same like we edit the font in CapCut. So right side here, if I select the option for color and we can bold, italic, whatever we want, we can edit the text as we edit the text before. So this looks much better, and if I play it on in this auto features, is the best feature because you can see it's click apply to all. So whatever setting I will change here, it will apply to all the text in this caption. So if I go more, again I will select the default preset and we can give the glow as well. If I select glow and I will choose any color, so here in CapCut we have to click here auto removal. As soon as the key is in top, this is how we can generate. Second thing, we can add the animation as well to the text. So if I select it again and here the preset templates. So if I click on any template, this template will be applied to the video of the actual video. So I have to drag it out and I have to bring this image down. Next is subtitles, like how you can add, if there is no captions here, so how you can add the subtitles. For that we have to click here left side local caption and there is an option to import. Then our file, like a subtitle file here, you can open it and it will come to your video. Right now I don't have any subtitle files, so I generated auto. This image. This is how we can add captions in CapCut.